Hello YouTubers, Truth Seeker 2019 here. Just showing you a video clip I did a few years ago, which actually got me into researching natural health and detoxing. Check it out. Okay, the picture you're looking at may be disgusting, but fact. This is my spit after what I call having chemtrail flu. I noticed sparkles, so I picked a designated area and I coughed up a big lunger and I let it dry, kept checking it, I come back and this is what I saw. It looks to me like a bunch of shiny aluminum nanoparticles and whatever else is mixed in there. That's what made me decide, hey, I better start detoxing. This stuff does not look good. Maybe everybody should try this. Next time you're going to cough something up, pick an area, let it dry out, go back to it, and see if you have these shiny particles as well. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps others. That's what I'm all about. Take care, stay safe. Much love.